guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you guys? Today is a very gloomy and a rainy day. On this happy note, I decided to make something cheerful and something bright and something fun. Oh, you guys, this theme is highly requested. You've been asking me for so long to do a garland like this. Drum roll! Baby shark! Woo! Finally, I'm here. I'm gonna make this one. Everything I will be using in this balloon garland, I will link in the description under the video. So go ahead and check it out. A few balloons that I will be using here I got from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company and from other places as well. Everything will be listed in the description under the video. All right, without any further ado, let's go. Let's quickly go over all of the things that I have laid out over here. It seems a lot, but you guys, I am not going to be using every single balloon that you see here. I will probably use every single color, but not every single balloon. So first things first are my baby shark balloons, yellow, pink, and blue. Variations in colors and sizes in blue, yellow, pink, orange balloons. Every single balloon count and color, everything I will link and list in the description under the video. Also, I am using my electric balloon pump, 20 or 30 pound fishing line, either or is good, and my balloon tying tool to tie a lot of balloons. Let's start with blowing our balloons. What I've decided, I think I like these richer pink color better than this soft pink, so I think I am scratching this. We'll see. You never know who've been following me for quite a while. You never know what can happen in my video. I tell you one thing and I can swish things around and it will be a totally different thing. I want to mix up, and I think I'm gonna get rid of these light yellow as well. We'll see. Let's just set them aside first. What I want to do is I want to build my base with 12-inch balloons. I want to mix up the colors, so I'm taking two balloons at the same time, blowing them. I am tying them together, creating a pair of balloons. So I'm using my blues, pink, yellow, maybe orange. I don't know. I know for sure that I will be using 5-inch orange just to kind of like, you know, have that color spots. I'm not sure. I'll put this aside as well. So let's go. Let's blow this. With our baby shark balloons and my translucent blue balloons. You guys, I learned that it's better to use a hand pump for both foil balloons and these balloons over here. These are not latex, these are more plasticky balloons, and when electric balloon pump heats up, it kind of heats this plasticky balloon and it doesn't distribute air evenly, and this balloon can get lopsided and it's not going to be just beautiful. So it's better to use a hand pump for these, and with these foil balloons it's better to use hand pump as well. The same concept. When you blow your balloons, there's a self-sealing plastic over here, and when hot air hits that plastic, it melts the plastic and you can mess up your balloons and it's not going to be good and they will be deflating. So it's better to use your hand pump for both of these. And if you're going to be ever using these kind of like plasticky balloons, never use a low temperature glue gun on these or any type of glue guns. It will melt your balloons right through. Low temperature glue gun only good for latex balloons. All right, looks like a very pretty balloon. Orbs balloons, foil balloons, they are self-sealing unless they tell you otherwise. You don't have to tie them, you just pull out your pump and they self-seal themselves. So let's blow the rest of them. Plasticky balloons, you actually do have to tie them. They're not self-sealing. Tough to tie them with your fingers, and it's kind of impossible to use a balloon tying tool because the tail is a little too short. Guys, I cheated a little bit. I used my electric balloon pump for my translucent balloons. While it was cool, I was able to fill in 3 balloons, translucent balloons. So if your electric balloon pump is cool, you can absolutely blow your translucent balloons with this. But if it's warmed up, please use hand pump. I know it's a lot of work, but it will be better. Time to construct our balloon garland. I am using 20-pound fishing line and tying my fishing line to my first pair. It doesn't matter what color you're using first. We're still mixing up the colors. I'm taking my second pair, putting right on top of my first one and kind of pinching those 2 clusters together with my fingers, taking my fishing line and wrapping around a newly placed balloon once. Pull on your fishing line and pinch your balloons together to bring them closer, and then again wrapping around newly placed balloon, pulling on my fishing line and pinching my balloons closer together. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line because fishing line can cut your balloons. Keep doing that with all of your clusters and you'll be done in no time. Secure your garland, just cut a long string of fishing line, hold it in one hand. With your other, take this fishing line tail and wrap around one of the balloons, and now you created this loop. So feed this tail through the loop and pull on your fishing line. Again, do that a few times to make sure your garland is completely secured. My balloon garland on my backdrop without explaining what I was doing, but I did make a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands, and I do show an up close on how I hang all of my balloon garlands either on a backdrop or on a wall. So I will link that video in the description under the video, and if you're interested to know, go ahead and check that video out. Here is how I'm going to fill in spaces. I started doing this trick just recently. It does save time in filling in your balloon garland. I'm just taking 2 pairs of balloons. It doesn't matter, 11-inch or 5-inch or any other size balloons, and you just intertwine them together to create this cluster of 4, and you go to your garland and place it where you want to build up your garland. By the way, you guys, I'm using my low temperature glue gun on my latex balloons, and then I am avoiding my translucent balloons because my glue gun will melt these guys right through and they will pop. So all of my latex with low temperature glue gun. Again, probably I told you a million times, but glue these translucent balloons, I am using my glue dots. Quickly show you how much glue I add on my balloons to fill in spaces. Not a lot of glue. So for example here, as you can see, a dollop, nothing much. And then right away I'm going back to my garland and I am gluing this cluster on. Just hold it a little bit, give the glue some time to set and let it go. I like to put glue on more than just one spot on my clusters, just in case, you know, who knows. So 2-3 spots on my cluster before I move on to next one. Here is what I have for you guys today. Very happy looking and bright looking balloon garland. I love how this baby shark balloon garland turned out. Better than I expected. I wish I had more of these darker blue and 5-inch balloons. I would have added more. I just stopped whenever I ran out of the darker blue balloons. I didn't want to just to take pink and yellow and fill in spaces with just those 2 colors. It would have been way too pink and way too yellow. Overall, other than that, you guys, every single balloon that I worked with, I had no problem with. Nothing popped, nothing deflated. Everything worked really, really good. And these balloons, none of them deflated or ripped or popped. So awesome quality. About these balloons, I'm gonna repeat myself. Don't blow these balloons with a warm electric balloon pump. It will mess up your balloons. One side will be bigger, one side smaller. It's not gonna stretch properly and they will be popping like there's no tomorrow. Use hand pump if your electric balloon pump is warm. Other than that, if your electric balloon pump is cool, please blow these balloons with electric pump. It will save you time and less work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything that you see here attached on a low temperature glue gun except these translucent balloons. As I said, never use glue guns on these balloons. Glue gun will melt your balloons right through and you'll just waste balloons and money. Alrighty guys, I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, here you have it. This is my take on this baby shark balloon garland. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and fun ideas. If you have any additional questions for me, please comment down below. I will answer them all. I will try to help you to the best of my ability. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!